What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I got two products that we're going to take a look at. These were sent out to me by the company APEXEL. So a big shout out to them for sending these over for review. So the first product is a ring light, a 10-inch ring light that is USB powered. And we also have a 70-inch selfie stick with tripod that we're going to look at as well. And I'll drop the links in the description for these if you guys want to go over and read up all of the description on them or purchase them as well. Now, if you decide to purchase them, if you use my discount code, Will H Gadgets and More, you can receive an extra 15% off. So I'll drop all of that information down below in the description. So the first product that we have here is going to be the 10-inch ring light. It's the model APEXEL As you guys see, it says this is a desk stand with ring light as well. It's going to be USB powered. So some of the features and detail, this has 3 color temperatures. It's going to be warm light, which is going to be 2700 kelvins. You're going to have the warm white light, which is going to be 5500 kelvins. And you're also going to have the white light, which is 6500 kelvins. Now, each one of those have 10 different brightness levels as well. Now, this is going to be good for your smartphones, your GoPros, any of your devices that have a 1/4 thread. This will fit. So this also comes with a 360-degree adjustable desk arm as well that you can use in multiple angles and heights. So those are some of the specs there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the ring light first. Here's the box, very nice black and white box. Go around on the back. It gives you some of the things that you can use this for. You can use it for webcasting, selfies, makeup, and photography, just to name a few. You guys see here some of the specs on here. You guys can see some of the same specs that I read off there and some more. So let's go ahead and see what's in the packaging. Take a look at this. So this is the packaging here. So here's your instructions manual right here. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. So in the packaging, you're going to see this is going to be your desktop folding tripod. This is going to be your ring light. You got your ball head here. You're going to have your phone holder. You got your L-type hex wrench. That's for tightening up the joints right here. Got your Velcro straps and your C-type clamp. That's going to be right here to attach it to your desk. So here's the showing you how to attach it to your desk or table. And then here are the different positions that you can put it in. So here are the controls for the switch. So you got your brightness up and down. You're going to have your light mode select and your on and off. And that is pretty much it, guys. You guys can see the 10 different brightness and 3 lighting modes there. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the box. We'll come right back. All right, guys, so we're back in. Here's everything that was in the box. You got your nice arm here. You guys see this is metal. Does have some of these little Velcro straps attached to it. Very nice looking. I like the red accent there. You got your top right here, and then this is the piece that's going to connect to your desk. Let's go ahead and put the desk clamp on here now. So here it is. You just screw this in like this, and it is tightened up. So there it is. So you just screw this out and adjust it to the size of your desk right there. So this comes with a Allen wrench. So what you have to do is loosen this up. Once you loosen this, then you can reposition it wherever you would like it to be. So as simple as that. Okay, so now we have our smartphone holder that has a cold shoe there on the top of it. You got your 1/4 threads here, and you got your 1/4 threads there. Very nice. We're going to have our ball head here. And this has the piece that goes into the cold shoe right there. Now you can adjust the ball head any way you want just by loosening that up right there. Then, of course, we're going to have our ring light, plastic, 10-inch, very lightweight. It also has a cold shoe here. Now this is where this will slide in. And this is where you can attach your smartphone or whatever device you want to have there. You go ahead and get this in there and tighten it up. So there it is, right there. And that's what will hold your smartphone, GoPro, or whatever you want. And then you have another place here that's going to attach right here. So let's go ahead and attach this. Okay, guys, and just like that, it is assembled. And even though this is tightened up on there, attached, you can still swivel this around and move it wherever you want. Now, if you wanted to reposition the ring light, you just loosen up this joint right here, and now you can reposition it wherever you would like it to be. So I'm gonna set this up and show you guys just how it looks attached to my desk. And then here's the controller, inline controller. Let's take a look at it. All right, so we got a long cable here. So this should reach a long ways. I'm not sure what the length is on it. I'll post it on the display here if I find the actual length. Let's get this unraveled here. All right, so here's the inline control, and we did go over these earlier. You got your brightness level up and down. You're gonna have your way to adjust the color temperatures, and then you got your on and off switch right there as well. So, and here's your smartphone connector, and you just screw this right here. This is how you connect your smartphone, just like that. And of course, we got these extra Velcro straps here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the selfie stick tripod next, and then we'll get everything set up and take a look at it. So let's go. All right, guys, so here's the selfie stick with tripod. You guys see it comes in this nice carrying case right here. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what's all in here. So of course, we're gonna have our user's manual here, instructions. Let's take a quick look at this as well. And that is the wrong language there. I need the English version of it here. All right, so it's showing you the different components that come in there. You're gonna have your quick release plate. You got your quick knob, your horizontal adjustment knob, a vertical adjustment knob, and tilt adjust handle. That is all up here at the top. You got your 1/4-inch screw. You got your lock and unlocks. Then you got your non-skid, anti-skid rubber down at the bottom on the tripod. And then, of course, we're going to have a Bluetooth remote control to hook up to your smartphones, things like that. So that is that. Let's go ahead. Here's your smartphone holder. Let's go ahead and get this out. So here's your smartphone holder. And it just slides out like that, adjusts to your phone. Let's see what we got in here now. So this is going to be your remote control. Comes with instructions as well. These are pretty easy to pair. You guys see it's going to work with iOS and Android right there. Get your instructions pamphlet as well. You got a couple of knobs here. Now this is for if you have a GoPro or a device like that, that's what this is for. And then let's take a look at the selfie stick tripod. Well, it's made out of metal. I can already feel that it's pretty sturdy. Here it is. Here's the top part of it. You can lock this down. This is padded up here. You do have a level right there that you can use, and this extends just like that, quick release. And then you got your handle there, and then here's the tripod base of it here, just like this. Here it is. So this is all metal. It's going to have the anti-skid plates at the bottom. So this just simply attaches by just sliding this in place like this. And there it is. Now this goes all the way up to 70 inches. So if you need a tall selfie stick or tripod, then this is going to be it. So we'll set this up. Let's get everything set up, and we'll take a look at the ring light and this as well. So all right, guys, so I have the ring light attached to my table here, and it's just simple, very simple to attach to the table right there. And I'm also going to be powering it with a power bank, and we're going to reposition and check this out. Okay, guys, so here it is, a different angle of the light attached to my table. And as you guys see, it's very easy to move around here. If I want to reposition it, I can reposition it like that. And it's very secure to the table, so no issues there. And if I really wanted this to stay in place, I can tighten up those points right there with the wrench to really keep it in place, but leaving it just a little bit loose, and it's working great. So I'm going to show you guys the phone holder in here as well, a phone in here as well. But let's take a look at the light first. So I'm going to be powering it with this power bank. And when you have it plugged in to power source, this is the controller here. Let's back this up a little bit. Raise it up. So you're going to get a blue indicator light showing that you have power. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So this is going to be your white light, and that's at the lowest setting. So I'm going to go ahead and increase it, let you guys see how bright this is. It gets very bright right there. So we're going to go ahead and lower it back down. Now this is going to be your warm white light. And then one more, this is going to be your warm light. So those are your three different temperatures there. And that's all the way low with your warm light. Bring it all the way back up. Let's cycle through them again. This is your white light at its lowest setting. And this is going to be your warm white light right here. So let's go ahead and plug in a smartphone and see how it looks. So here it is with my iPhone in place there. As you guys see, the iPhone fits in there. And you can swivel it, turn it whichever way you want. Now let's get some footage from the iPhone. Okay, guys, so this is my iPhone. Only light I have coming in is from a window over there. We're going to go ahead and turn on the ring light. So this is going to be your warm light right here at its lowest brightness level. Let's go ahead and bring it up slowly. Let you guys see how this look. So that's the warm light. Gonna bring it back down. Let's go ahead and cycle over to this is the warm white light right here. So at its lowest brightness level, let's go ahead and bring it up. Let you guys see how this looking. Like I said, the only light that's coming in is from one of my windows over there that's aiding this. So next, let's go to the white light. So this is the lowest brightness setting. I'll bring it all the way up. And that's the highest brightness level right there. So now you can reposition, your light wherever you may need it. And, situate your light. You can bring it down wherever you may need your light to shine to get the best image. That's what you're going to get. So this is your white light right here. This is going to be your warm light, white. And this is your warm light right here. So those are the three differences. Let's go ahead and check out that stand next. All right, guys, so here's the selfie stick / tripod here. As you guys see, I have it hooked up. I have my iPhone on there. If I need to lean this over or maneuver this wherever I need it, there it is. It's connected with the smartphone holder that was connected. Now you can lower this and raise it just by loosening up these clamps there and get it to the height that you want. Basically made out of all metal. There's the wide tripod down at the bottom, very sturdy. Just a little bit of wiggle with this if you move it, but not too bad. You can use this with your smartphones, your cameras, just about anything you need. This is going to work, and I'll definitely leave a link in the description for this if you guys want to pick it up. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the APEXEL FL20 10-inch ring light, and also the APEXEL 7-inch selfie stick with tripod stand. Both great products. I'll definitely leave the links in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Don't forget to use my discount code Will H Gadgets and More for that extra 15% off. Both of these are very easy to set up. Gonna offer everything you need straight out of the box to get started making content. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.